Now, there was one part that I thought was interesting was you ever notice how in these situations when everybody has a piece, they all fire every single round that they have so that the next round of people that come up, they always say, I don't have any more bullets.
Yeah.
Like,
But
what? Why did you freaking unload?
to you would think common sense, but I think we are all aware that common sense is not that common. I especially think if you're not used to killing people and you're not used to shooting a gun, that I could see that being like, these people are trying to kill me. I'm just going to unload everything I got on them without the realization that maybe 8 of us don't need to all shoot one guy with all of our ammunition.